How to log in to Webull account. So if you want to log in to Webull account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And now in the search bar you have to search for Webull, and after searching, on the first search you will have www.webull.com. Click on that. And now to log in, you have to click on login, which is on the upper right corner. Now to log into your Webull account, you can also log in with your Facebook, or you can also log in with your Google account, or you can also log in with your phone number, or you can also use your email. So you have to enter your email address to log in, and then you have to enter your password if you're logging with your email. But if you're logging with your mobile number, then you have to enter your mobile number. You have to choose your country code by simply clicking on the drop down bar, and then you can choose your country code, and after entering your phone number, you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then your mobile number, and you have to click on login. And that's it. That's the way to log into your account. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.